If you don't already know, this is my $20 Walmart bicycle that I put a 100cc Amazon motor onto. The total kit was 150 bucks, and it took us about 6 hours to get it assembled and working. But pretty much, if you haven't seen anything about this, go check out my video before this one, where I actually showed you guys how we built it and took it for the first ride and first start and everything. But this video pretty much is just going to be about the test riding and stuff. Throttle cable broke in the last video, but I got a dirt bike throttle cable to fit for now while they send another one. But yeah, so we're going to take this thing on a little test ride here and see how it performs. I already got it warmed up a little bit, so just gotta let it warm up a little bit more. Just put the air filter on there. It's held on by zip ties. Alright, let's take this thing for a little test ride. Everything feels stable. I don't think anything's falling off yet. Real good brakes. Let's see if they can pull me up all these hills. This is truly gonna test it here. Oh yeah, that's a big hill. I don't know if it's gonna make it Okay, officially first test ride down a real road. Everything looks pretty much fine. I don't think there's anything broken. Air filters on there still. How much fuel we had? How much fuel did we burn? We barely went anywhere. We burned a little bit. We burned enough. Hey, I mean, 150 bucks is this what you get you? Go like, honestly, I might get top speed quicks. I don't think that goes 20 miles per hour like you said it would. I reached a top speed of 23 miles per hour. And my average speed was 13 miles per hour. So it gets you around. Said it would go 28, but it does not. Maybe with no one on it, it'll go 28. But yeah. So I mean, it is still kind of in break-in, which they said it'll go faster once you get it fully broken in. But I don't know, we'll see. If you're looking to get one of these, I recommend. If you look at my last video, I have it linked in the description of where I got this motor and the exact one I got. So if you want to get the same one as me, go ahead and go to that video, go to the description, it's right there. You just go right to the link. And yeah, so if you did enjoy the test ride, the first real test ride on it, leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Got to reach 3,000 subscribers. Let me know what kind of content you guys want me to do with this thing in the comments. And yeah. If you don't already know, this is my $150 100cc. All right, I gotta restart that. That I put away $100. I got done with the speed up. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.